was just a boy in the trenches sliding all night. And then one day I found out about Jesus Christ. Now I gotta figure out how to live this new life. So much to learn and see. Up in the church with my new family. Now when I slide it's to Deuteronomy. It's a whole new blessed world, so safe for me. I didn't know God really loved me. Someone take me to church. I'm finding out what being Christian's all about. I'ma miss you in church, I'm so happy. Jesus defeated all my hopes in one day. Thank you, God. Don't gotta risk my life. Thank you, God. I just need to find a ride to take me to church.